Noney District Police Department, under the initiative of Noney District Police 2nd OCKK Kabui in collaboration with Longmai Bazaar Board, Longmai Students Union and Longmai Bazaar Youth Club, under the supervision of Noney District Police Department, ASP Ningsen Vasum organized a drive and check expiry products goods at Longmai Bazaar. Expiry products seized during the drive were destroyed and burned in front of public witnesses at the middle of Longmai Bazaar today. The destroyed product includes drinks, noodles, and other edible goods. Moreover, Longmai Bazaar Board Secretary Namtuangong Kamai appealed to the general public, especially to shopkeepers, not to sell expiry products which may harm human health.
Bazaar Board police colony na koi kusam naraga koi bazaar sida expiry oiba pochi yonduna koi mi oiba yamna sokpo yaba aduma pochai yonba dukandar singbo phagatlaga koi mai thadokuna manghan naba koi tawribni mutung manaw do dukandar sing adigi bazaar sida leriba po yoliba khuding makna section view asigumba miyoibada sokpo yaba expiry pot singse amu hanna yonbidana ba akoina adugumba dukan adugi mathakta akanba action lawuni haibise